Understanding tight-knit group in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase tight-knit group. This phrase is commonly used in English to describe a certain type of social group. Let's dive in and understand what makes a group tight-knit. Tight-knit is an adjective that combines tight and knit, two words with distinct meanings. Tight suggests closeness or being closely packed. Knit refers to the process of connecting things together, like in knitting wool. So, a tight-knit group is a group of people who are closely connected or bonded with each other. This phrase emphasizes strong relationships and a sense of community within the group. A tight-knit group often shares several key characteristics. These include strong bonds. Members have strong emotional connections. Support. There is a high level of mutual support and understanding. Frequent interaction. Members often communicate and meet. Shared values or goals. Common interests or objectives bring them closer. Trust. A significant level of trust exists among the members. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Our family is a tight-knit group. We support each other through thick and thin. The local community formed a tight-knit group to organize neighborhood events. Despite being in different cities, our college friends remain a tight-knit group. Understanding the concept of a tight-knit group helps in grasping the nuances of English language expressions. Such phrases add depth to our communication, especially when describing social dynamics. I hope this video helps you in understanding and using tight-knit group in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.